Hello and welcome to X-Geo, to learn Spanish. Here we'll provide you with daily lessons to become fluent in Spanish in less than 60 days. Subscribers to our channel can watch all of our daily lessons for free. In this lesson, we're going to be reviewing sentences focused around key words from today's vocabulary video. If you haven't already, we recommend that you watch the today's vocabulary lesson before watching today's sentences that utilize those words. When watching this video, we will say the English word, then the Spanish word. Then we'll provide an English sentence and say the Spanish sentence twice. Repeat with us the second time we speak the sentence. Then pause the video to write the sentence on paper. Be sure to subscribe.
Asegúrate de suscribirte. Gracias.
Let's get started. Body.
Cuerpo.
My body is feeling achy.
Mi cuerpo se siente adolorido. Mi cuerpo se siente adolorido.
Hair.
Cabello.
My hair is wet.
Mi cabello está mojado. Mi cabello está mojado.
Mouth.
Boca.
My mouth is dry and sore.
Mi boca está seca y adolorida. Mi boca está seca y adolorida.
Nose.
Nariz.
My nose burns.
Me arde la nariz. Me arde la nariz.
Tongue.
Tongue.
My tongue is numb.
Mi lengua está entumecida. Mi lengua está entumecida.
Teeth.
Dientes.
I don't like my teeth.
No me gustan mis dientes. No me gustan mis dientes.
Neck.
Cuello.
My neck hurts.
Me duele el cuello. Me duele el cuello.
Shoulders.
Hombros.
I am having trouble sleeping tonight.
Tengo problemas para dormir esta noche. Tengo problemas para dormir esta noche.
Hands.
Manos.
I have large hands.
Tengo manos grandes. Tengo manos grandes.
Chest.
Pecho.
I've got a big chest.
Tengo un gran cofre. Tengo un gran cofre.
Belly.
Barriga.
I have a small belly.
Tengo una barriga pequeña. Tengo una barriga pequeña.
Legs.
Piernas.
I have short legs.
Tengo las piernas cortas. Tengo las piernas cortas.
Feet.
Pies.
I have big feet.
Tengo pies grandes. Tengo pies grandes.
Heart.
Corazón.
My heart is pounding very fast now.
Mi corazón está latiendo muy rápido ahora. Mi corazón está latiendo muy rápido ahora.
Brain.
Cerebro.
My brain works overtime.
Mi cerebro trabaja horas extras. Mi cerebro trabaja horas extras.
Stomach.
Estómago.
I have an upset stomach.
Tengo malestar estomacal. Tengo malestar estomacal.
Lungs.
Pulmones.
My lungs are constantly expanding and contracting.
Mis pulmones se expanden y contraen constantemente. Mis pulmones se expanden y contraen constantemente.
Throat.
Garganta.
My throat is dry and itchy.
Mi garganta está seca y me pica. Mi garganta está seca y me pica.
Bones.
Huesos.
I have small bones.
Tengo huesos pequeños. Tengo huesos pequeños.
Skull.
Cráneo.
My skull protects my brain.
Mi cráneo protege mi cerebro. Mi cráneo protege mi cerebro.
Great job! That completes our lesson. We recommend repeating this video and writing each of these sentences, then mix and match the words from today's vocabulary lesson. Be sure to write and speak these sentences aloud. Next, you should watch our conversation videos to fully grasp today's vocabulary. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.